don't like this bangy thing.
Why? Ashley, watch out! Ash! Well, I'm recording her getting jammed. Ashley, it's about to go off. Ashley, it's about to go off. I promise. It's literally about to go off. And it's right next to you. It's about to go off, Ash. I told you! Why don't you believe me?
Riley,
that's exciting. You know there's more? I can't breathe. Look how flammable they are as well. Like, that will go up in flames. I didn't see him! I didn't see him!
that bloke's head.
Oh no! Yeah, in all of it, Riley. Step back. So I can get a good view. I told you guys. Just so people would like to put my gun as well, so I was just double checking that it's not. But we're back. This is in case, like, because I know that I get American viewers, like, I think this is kind of
You've got to be right in front of us. Oh god.
Look how scared these two are.